millions of users using Google Maps for several purposes. Google Map has 20 petabyte of data, which is equal to approx 21 million gigabyte of data, which is extremely difficult to handle by human manually. Hello guys, for a few days we could not upload a video on this channel for some reason. Sorry for that, but now we will starting a Google AI series on this channel. In this series we will explore how Google use AI in the different applications that we will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So let's begin with the first topic of this series, how Google Map using AI. We know that millions of users using Google Maps for several purposes. But do you know that Google Map has 20 petabyte of data, which is equal to approx 21 million gigabyte of data, which is extremely difficult to handle by human manually. So here AI is a critical part of what makes Google Maps so helpful. Now we understand in a brief why do we need AI in the Google Map. So let's start with our routing update that help you to avoid situation the cause of accident, like such as confusing lane change or freeway exits. We use AI and navigation information to identify hard braking events, movements that cause driver to decelerate sharply and are known indicator of car crash. So here maps suggest alternate route when available. We believe these updates have the potential to eliminate 100 million hard braking events in a routes with the help of Google Map in each year. But question is that how exactly do we find when and where these movements are likely to occur? That's where AI come in. To do this, we train our machine learning models on two sets of data. The first set of informations come from the phones that using Google Maps. Mobile sensor can determine deceleration along a route, but our data is highly prone to false because our mobile is independently move in our car. This what make it hard for our system, क्योंकि फ़ोन कार में accidentally कहीं भी गिर सकता है and it may be possible the phone is create a heart breaking movement. So to face that problem, we also use information from route driven with the Google Map when it's project on a car display like Android Auto. This represents a relatively small subset of data, but it's highly accurate because map is now stable spot of our car display. Training our models on both sets of data make it possible to spot actual deceleration movement from fake ones, making detection across all trips more accurate. Understand the spot along a route that is likely to cause of hard braking. We are also working to identify other contextual factor that leads to hard braking events like construction or visibility conditions. These details inform future routing so we can suggest safer, smoother routes. Google Maps is based on very simple and effective incredible algorithm, that is Dijkstra algorithm. If you don't know about the algorithm, then comment below. I will definitely make a video on it. If you have any other query, then write down in the comment box. If you are also curious to know about Google AI series, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching till the end.